Welcome to Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Wednesday, September 9th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sumran Masterbatch Private Limited. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices tumbled over 7.5% on Tuesday following a spike in the number of new pandemic cases globally, leading to extension of lockdowns, rekindling fears of weak demand for crude oil. Prices slipped sharply as the market participants responded to Saudi Arabia's heavy price discounts for its October 2020 crude oil supply to Asia and its buyers in the United States. Also, a plunge in the US equity markets and an unexpected decline in the US job growth, indicating a sluggish economic recovery, further supported the price fall. Brent crude prices plunged by $2.88, settling at $39.78 per barrel, while WTI futures nosedived by $3.01, settling at $36.76 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were sliding early Wednesday in Asia after settling at close to 3-month lows on Tuesday as growing worries over economic recovery from the pandemic's blow continued to roil the global financial markets. On Tuesday, OpenSpec naphtha prices rose marginally by $1 per metric ton at the $397 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and PVC. In PP prices galloped higher in Asia this week. Prices firmed mainly on account of bullish import offers from the overseas suppliers and stronger regional demand trends. Higher upstream propylene values further supported the price gain. In LLDP prices surged in Asia this week. The steep price gain was triggered by bullish upstream ethylene values and stronger regional buying sentiments. Higher import offers from the overseas producers, tight regional product avails, and firmer LLDP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange further supported the price gain. In PVC prices witnessed a sharp rise across the Asian regions this week. The sharp price rise was on the back of bullish ethylene feedstock rates and stronger regional demand trends. Higher import offers from the overseas suppliers and persistent tight product availability further pushed prices higher in Asia. For detailed price assessments of PP, PE and PVC, we invite you to subscribe to Polymer Update. Our weekly benchmark price assessments and analysis are available on our website for all our subscribers to benefit from. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sumran Masterbatch Private Limited. The company offers a wide range of color master batches, black master batches, additive master batches and granules. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Wednesday, September 9th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.